Ado? Okay. Hey, so we're at it again. Now we're in Westmoreland, a place called Ado. First I'm coming here. One of our customers, the Ras, of course, wants some supplies. I don't know if my girlfriend said it for him or him went shopping. But I bring in supplies to him. In the meantime, I gotta make me a jelly. Yeah. We're up on the trail and we're thirsty. So him a bust me while I bust him.
Yeah.
I want the full of meat, like you'd have the X-ray. Yeah. You know, so I want the full of meat. I always say meat, you know, brother. Alright, I'll put on your pocket right here, so. So the ice stall name?
You know, just a fruit stall.
Just a fruit stall? So then call in the area?
Byron, man.
Oh, just Byron. Okay. Okay. Normally, every man that have a, you know what I mean? One of them name then. Yeah. Nice. So you think about the service because we reach quick and fast. Yes, get the last one time, but you know what I mean?
Yeah. That's nice, man. You don't go and know you're reaching, man.
Yeah.
So once you're reaching and deliver your package, everything is nice, man.
Alright, there you have it.
Yeah.
All Byron want to know that him receiving package, receive it on time. And we are here in Ado. First time coming to Ado. Never know that someone named Ado. But wherever you are, we'll get it there. Alright? Yeah. What? You smell what? Jackfruit? Yeah. So take a look on the stall. A look on Byron talk. Byron have whole heap of things. Oh. Yeah. A melon. The stall. What is that?
Squash.
Squash?
Yeah, you cook it down with meat. You can cook it down with saltfish, nice.
Yeah? So what? Okay.
Yeah, man, you speed off him. Basically, if you get inside now, you see kind of look a bit hard, you kind of spear out like. Yeah. And you cut off the flesh.
Yeah. I know that one here. Yeah, so thinking too, you remember thinking too? Yeah. Yes. Last week I got some. Yeah, man. But on the trail, this is how we do it with Byron. We get the work done, mash up the jelly, and then we'll link up back later. Have a good one.